Hello, beautiful children. How are you all? Welcome back to Kids Learning. In this video, we will learn about planets that revolve around the Sun. So let's get started. The first one is Mercury. Mercury is the innermost planet of the solar system and the eighth in size and mass. Next one is Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and sixth in the solar system in size and mass. Third one is Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest planet in the solar system in terms of size and mass. Fourth one is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet in the solar system in order of distance from the Sun and seventh in the size and mass. Fifth one is Jupiter. Jupiter is the most massive planet of the solar system and the fifth in distance from the Sun. Next one is Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. Next one is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and has the third largest diameter in our solar system. Next one is Neptune. Neptune is the third most massive planet of the solar system and the eighth and the outermost planet of the Sun. If you like this information, please like my videos, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Goodbye.